You can have 200 unread messages on your phone and still feel like no one really sees you. You can laugh at dinner with friends and go home feeling hollow. Loneliness isn't always loud. Sometimes it's a quiet ache of being surrounded by people and still feeling invisible. So you start to wonder, is it really me? Why do I feel so alone, even around the people who say they love me? You listen to everyone's problem, but when you try to speak, the room goes silent. You are the planner, the caregiver, the one who always checks in. But no one ever asks, how are you doing? You show up to every celebration, every occasion. But when you are breaking, no one notices. And so, you smile harder, you laugh louder, until you don't even know if the mask is a mask anymore. Robbie Williams made the world laugh. Millions adored him. But behind the laughter was a silence so loud that even he couldn't get himself out of it. In interviews, he would drop hints about pain, about emptiness, and yet we all missed it. Until he was gone. This story is a mirror, a reminder that loneliness isn't about lack of company. It's about the absence of emotional presence. Brené Brown says, true belonging doesn't require you to change. It requires you to be seen. And Eckhart Tolle teaches us, when you no longer believe the mind's narrative about being separate, real connection returns. And Ram Dass said, we are all just walking each other home. The problem isn't that you are not lovable. It's that you have been trying too hard to earn love by becoming somebody else. And the truth is, your soul is starving for real connection, not performance. So here's what you can do to begin the journey back to real connection. Step 1. Come home to you. Take 5 minutes daily to sit with no performance, no doing, no rules. Just you, your breath, and your soul. The world cannot connect with a version of you that's not real, but your realness that's magnetic. Step 2. Honest check-in. Choose one safe person and text them this today. I don't want to pretend I'm okay today. So can we talk? You'll be surprised how often others are waiting for you to go first. And step 3 is mirror of truth. Stand in front of a mirror and say, I don't need to entertain to be loved. I don't need to fix others to belong. I'm allowed to be real, messy, raw, and still worthy. Connection begins with truth, and truth begins with you. You were never meant to be everything to everyone. You were meant to be real, so the right person could find you. The right people could find you. Real connection doesn't require perfection. It just requires honesty. So the next time you feel alone in a crowd, don't ask what's wrong with me. Ask what part of me needs to be seen right now. That's where real connection begins. In the courage to show up as your true self. Loneliness isn't about absence of people. It's the absence of being seen. Hi, this is Sayana Khapre and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you ever felt invisible in rooms full of people, then this is your mirror. Drop a comment. What part of you is ready to be seen?